The SUV market is booming, with hybrid and electric options gaining popularity. Many consumers are looking for eco-friendly vehicles without sacrificing power and space. We'll explore the advantages and disadvantages of both hybrid and electric SUVs to help you decide which is right for you. Hybrid SUVs combine gasoline and electric motors, offering the best of both worlds. In city driving, the electric motor operates at low speeds to save fuel, while the gasoline engine takes over on longer journeys. One key advantage is the ability to reduce fuel costs while still relying on the existing gasoline infrastructure. Additionally, hybrids are not dependent on charging stations, making them more flexible for users. However, the disadvantages of hybrids should also be considered. For instance, they can be heavier due to the dual power systems, which might slightly impact performance. Furthermore, maintenance costs can sometimes be higher because of the complexity of managing two systems. Electric SUVs provide an environmentally friendly ride with zero emissions. They deliver instant torque and a quiet driving experience thanks to their electric motors. Additionally, the ability to charge at home eliminates reliance on gas stations. Another major advantage is that electric vehicles have fewer moving parts, resulting in lower maintenance costs. However, electric vehicles are entirely dependent on charging infrastructure, which can pose challenges, especially in rural areas. One disadvantage is that charging times are still longer compared to traditional refueling. Furthermore, while battery capacities are improving, range limitations remain a consideration for long journeys. Hybrid SUVs often come with a more affordable upfront cost compared to electric SUVs. However, the lower energy expenses and long-term maintenance benefits of electric SUVs are noteworthy. In terms of performance, electric SUVs offer faster acceleration and quieter rides, while hybrids stand out with their easy refueling and extended range. For daily use, hybrids can rely on gas stations, whereas electric vehicles provide the convenience of home charging. Both technologies offer eco-friendly and innovative features. However, the right choice depends on your budget, driving habits, and lifestyle needs. If you primarily drive short distances in the city, electric SUVs might be perfect for you. However, if you plan longer journeys, hybrid SUVs could be a better fit. Take action now. Research suitable models and participate in test drives. This way, you can make the choice that best fits your needs.